I've got a Mercari order from Steph's Bizy Beauty Customs site over on Mercari. So if you want to see what I picked out, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's sitting right next to me. He's so happy he just got his birth box. You may hear some toy squeaking. He may run away because I just heard thunder. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking this out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Steph over at Bizy Beauty Customs now has a Mercari shop. She no longer does the mystery boxes that she did. Who knows, at some point she may throw some mystery boxes on there that are not customized. But for right now, she's just sticking with here's what I got, here's what it costs. If you want it, hit me up. And I got a pretty good deal on a couple of items that I was going to order from the website, but I saved a little bit of bucks by ordering it from her. And she always throws in free stuff. And she was like, I couldn't get as much free stuff in because of this other stuff. I was like, you don't have to send me any free stuff. Like, well, she did. All right, so let me start with what was big and why she said she couldn't fit as much free stuff in, which again, I didn't need her to do, but I appreciate that she does. Which is another reason, like, not only am I saving some money getting it from her, but she's throwing in a little extras. Sweeten the deal, you know. So y'all know I love Tree Hut, and she had their strawberry. Now, for what I paid for these two from her, would have cost each one individually at Ulta. So I thought that was a great deal. Let's get a nice sniff. She also tapes them down to make sure they don't open on you. And besides being taped down, it is sealed. So that's just like an extra measure. Let's see. The scrub may not. Now the scrub is a shea sugar scrub, which means it's going to be very nurturing as well, which you definitely need in the summertime, particularly if you're going into pools or oceans or lakes or whatever. This is going to really re-nourish your skin. And yes, as I thought, because I know Tree Hut does not tend to seal these. Oh my God, that's amazing. Their scents are so delightful because they're not like sugary sweet. They're more like what the real fruit is. Amazing. And look at how well these are packaged up. I mean, nothing's happening to these. This might have been in with it too. This might have been the third thing because it's the Tree Hut Strawberry Overnight Lip Mask. It might have been all three things, but the price was like incredible. So first from Nomad, they have re-released three of their palettes. One of them I already have, and that was the Berlin one. So we have the Fée de Provence, if I'm pronouncing that even close to correct, and America's Parks. And so Nomad is a husband and wife, and their palettes are inspired by places they've visited. So this is inspired by America's Parks. And look at those gorgeous shades. And I don't know if it's picking it up, but this one right here has like pink and brown in it. Just like this one has white and gray. Lovely. And this green one has two shades of green. And I think their Berlin Underground one was one of the first palettes I had gotten in like a Ipsy or something like that. And I love it. I still have it. Look at these gorgeous colors. Oh, so pretty. And those imprints too. Look at that bumblebee, so cute. Do I need any more palettes? I don't. I sure don't. But I got one. Also well wrapped, this is a new release from the Gourmand Girls. I believe I saw that on their website that this was a new release. Call of the Silence. I went back and forth. I'm like, should I get this? No, I shouldn't get it. No, I really shouldn't. I really shouldn't. Because look at that. Look at that. Oh. We're gonna get into it. All right, so this bottom one here has, can you see like the flecks of color in there? Look at that payout. Holy smokes. Like you can definitely see like some of the colors in there. Now this is the yellow and white one. See, this is why I did. Then we have a duochrome there, which goes from like a pink to a gold shift. I don't know if it's picking that up for you guys. It's like I never have this quite the right way, but when I look at it, I can definitely see it. Like when it's down like this, it's gold. And then it's not. And then this blue. These are like metallics. The payoff on these are insane. Look at that. Oh. So again, Steph will have new stuff and it will be competitively priced to what it's selling for on the website. So, I mean, I'm happy to get it from Steph. All right, so what did she throw in? She threw in these Patchology Illuminating Eye Gels. All right, I know that because she put a little thank you sticker on there. And I need a little illumination. And then, one of my favorite K-Beauty brands here, Saturday Skin, the Cotton Cloud Probiotic Power Mask. And she sent me two, because one for me and one for Chloe. All right, that is my Bizy Beauty order. And I will try to remember to link her Mercari shop down below. So you can just click on that link and get to her site. And she always has lots of great things at lots of great prices. And she'll usually throw in at least one, you know, kind of freebie, whether it's a couple of masks or, you know, whatever it is. But she's very generous and she definitely is a great businesswoman. And I love shopping. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.